Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create a poster of a football tournament advertisement in Microsoft Word, a Word document editing program. You can use this to advertise whether or not you want to advertise it digitally on your social media, or you print it and then you stick it on the walls. To do this, let's change the color of the page so that it has gradients. Click on design, click on page color, and then click on fill effects, and then afterwards tick the circle for two colors. Let's say if you want to color the page light blue, just like this, and then afterwards click on OK when you're done. And then let's add some text. Insert word art, and then let's say if you want this, let's type football, and then you can change the font type to, let's say, this. Then you can resize it. Nope. Change the font size to, let's say, for 72. And then you add some more text. Insert word art, and then let's say if you want to pick this one, and then type in tournament, just like this. And then we simply change the font to this, for example. Then increase the font size to, let's say, this. Place it somewhere here. Let's add some football or soccer elements. Insert pictures, and then click on this device. And then every pictures will be from the pictures folder, which is this one. Select this one, double click on it, and then click on this one, and then click on this, and then tick the circle for fixed position on page, so that you can place the ball anywhere. For example, here, copy and paste this again, and then you place it here, and then copy and paste this, place it around here, then paste it again. Let's say if you want to fill the entire advertisement with this soccer ball, just like so. And then let's insert an image of a football player. So insert pictures, and then click on this device, click on this one, soccer player, and then click on this one, click here, and then click a fixed position on page, just like this. And then make it smaller, just like so. Place it somewhere here, maybe. That would do. Alright, let's place it to the back. Send to back, just like so. And then let's add some, chatter boxes. Insert shapes, and then pick, a chatter box, such as maybe this one. And then type, for example, grand prize, any amount, just like this. And then you simply change the font size, maybe, so it looks like this pretty much. And then you simply make it larger, or maybe you just let's say insert the amount of price here. Just like so. And then you change the color of the shape to lighter shade of blue, for example. This would do. Remove the outlines, and then you simply rotate it, and then you copy and paste this, and then simply rotate it the other way, just like this. And then you simply make a text box. Well, click on insert, shapes, and then click on this rectangle with rounded curves. No, rounded corners. That's to say, and then let's say if we put the location here, and then you color it with any color that you want. For example, this one, a flat color would do, just like this. And then remove the outlines. And then you simply just click on insert, shapes, and then create a text box, just like this. Then remove the fill, click here, and then click on no fill, so that the fill is removed. Type anything, for example, random stadium, a random number, random road, country. Let's say the tournament starts at 3 p.m. No, 5 p.m. Just like this. And then you simply, make it large. There you go. And then change the font color to white. Remove the outlines of the text box by clicking on this one. You're done. You can make some parts of the text bolder, just like this. Or when you're done, you can, create some descriptions, such as, the requirements and the price, something like that. You can use rectangles with rounded corners, just like this. Make the box black, just like so. And then copy and paste this again, place it here, somewhere, here. And then copy and paste this again, hold on, select these, no, select one, and then I simply do it like this. You can adjust the roundness of the corners by dragging this one. Then let's say if you want to make this box white, click here, and then remove the outlines. Copy and paste this several times. Bring this one to the front, right click, bring to front. And then you can, create some text boxes by clicking on shapes, and then click here, and then you can type anything, such as, the requirements that the participants must follow so that they can join the football tournament as advertised. That's how you can create a poster of a football tournament advertisement in Microsoft Word. So thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.